Once upon a time, there lived a deer in a forest. He was a brave and courageous creature, who always looked for adventure and excitement. One day, he decided to embark on a quest, to find a wise old man who could help him understand the world better. He knew it would be a long and difficult journey, but he was determined to find the wise old man and learn from him. Little did he know what he would discover on his journey. The deer was determined to find out the secret of its long life. It set off on a journey, traveling far and wide, in search of the answer. Along the way, it encountered many creatures, some friendly and some not so friendly. But it kept going, determined to find the answer to its quest. Finally, after many days of traveling, it came to a small village nestled in the woods, and it was here that the deer believed it would find the answer. The deer's legacy lives on in the hearts of those who were touched by its presence. Its gift of insight and understanding has been passed down to generations, providing an invaluable source of wisdom. Its final farewell was a reminder to cherish the moments of life, to appreciate the beauty of nature, and to never forget the power of kindness. The deer will always be remembered for its selfless act of giving, and its legacy will continue to be a source of hope and inspiration to all. Continue to be a source of hope and inspiration to all. The deer's final farewell was filled with a sense of peace and acceptance. As it left the group of people, it paused to look back at them one last time. With a gentle nod of its head, it seemed to thank them for their kindness and accepted the gift they had given. Then, with a graceful leap, it disappeared into the forest, leaving behind a legacy of kindness and generosity that will be remembered for generations. The deer continued on its journey, eventually coming across a wise old man. He had a long white beard and a kind face. He wore a robe of deep blue, and his eyes were a gentle brown. He welcomed the deer with a warm smile, and asked why it had come so far. The deer told him of its quest, and the old man nodded in understanding. He told the deer that it had a long journey ahead, but that it would be worth it in the end. He then gave the deer a few words of wisdom and encouragement before bidding it farewell. With a new sense of hope, the deer continued on its way, ready to embark on the next stage of its adventure. The deer set out on its quest, determined to find the answers it sought. The sun was just beginning to rise, and the dew still clung to the grass. The deer followed a winding path, and soon the scenery began to change. The trees grew taller, and the air grew cooler. The deer continued on, determined to find the wise old man and the answers it sought. The deer was now on a new journey, continuing its search for answers. It set off down a new path, one that was unknown and full of potential dangers. Along the way, it encountered many new creatures and obstacles, some friendly and some not so friendly. It was determined to reach its destination, whatever the cost. As the journey progressed, the deer encountered more and more creatures, some of which it had never seen before. Its courage and determination kept it going, and eventually, it reached the edge of a mysterious cave. The deer continued its journey, and soon came upon a mysterious cave. It had never seen a cave before and was filled with curiosity. As it approached, it noticed a strange light emitting from the entrance. It cautiously entered, and what it saw inside was unlike anything it had ever seen before. The walls were lined with glowing stones and strange symbols, and the air was thick with a strange smell. The deer felt a strange energy in the cave and knew that it had stumbled upon something special. As it explored further, it could sense a power emanating from the depths of the cave that it could not explain. The deer continued to explore the cave, and soon it discovered something remarkable. In the depths of the cave, the deer found a small pool of water that glowed with a mysterious light. The deer was filled with a sense of awe, and it stood in the light, feeling its warmth and energy. As it stood there, the deer realized that this pool was the source of its newfound strength and courage. The deer had discovered a secret power within itself, and it was determined to use this newfound power to fulfill its new purpose. The deer's discovery of the mysterious cave filled with sparkling crystals gave it a newfound purpose: to explore the cave and uncover its secrets. With newfound determination, the deer ventured deeper and deeper into the cave, determined to find out what lay hidden within. As it explored, the deer encountered many strange creatures and mysterious objects, all of which it was eager to learn more about. With each new discovery, the deer's curiosity and determination grew, until it eventually had a newfound sense of purpose and understanding of its place in the world. The previous chapter ended with the deer's mysterious disappearance, leaving the protagonist alone in the forest. As the protagonist searched for the deer, he stumbled across an unexpected gift. A beautiful, golden feather lay on the ground, shining in the moonlight. It was a gift from the deer, a symbol of its gratitude for the protagonist's kindness. The feather was a reminder of the deer's legacy and its importance to the protagonist. The gift was a reminder to never forget the deer's kindness and to always cherish the memories they shared. The deer's gift was more than just a physical item. It was a symbol of the connection between the hunter and the animal, a reminder of the importance of respecting nature and its creatures. The gift represented the deer's appreciation for the hunter's respect and understanding of its presence in the world. It was a sign of the deer's trust and friendship, a sign that the hunter was worthy of its companionship. The gift was a reminder that the hunter and the deer shared a special bond that could never be broken.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. We'll be bringing you more exciting stories and videos like this one. See you next time.